Dear students, welcome. I am Pratibha Deshmukh. At the outset, let me congratulate you for having passed your 10th examination and securing admission in our college. I hope you are all safe and doing well during these times of pandemic. Friends, you know the first day of college is unforgettable for everybody. This day is very important in our life. The very idea of going from school to college makes the man happy and delighted. I hope you also must have been waiting for this day. You must have been feeling like a free bird. You must have thought that you have grown up and can do anything and everything. But no, friends, it's not like that. Discipline is important whether you are in a school or college. No doubt, freedom is important in our life, but so is the sense of responsibility. On the very first day of your college, your spirit must have been dampened because of COVID-19. The coronavirus has completely changed the scenario of Indian education system. Earlier, we used to opt for traditional methods for teaching and learning process. Now the situation has completely changed. Now we are forced to use laptops and mobiles for online teaching and learning process. Now we have to share our ideas and opinions without being present in a classroom. Instead of getting disheartened by this situation, let us make this situation into an opportunity. Let us be smart in using various digital devices. Friends, we are living in the modern world. You will face many challenges in this world. Everywhere there is cutthroat competition. If you want to be successful in life, you don't have to be a genius. You have to be a hard worker. Everybody is unique in this world. Everybody is born with extraordinary qualities within. Therefore, there is no point in comparing yourself with others. Compete with yourself, and I am sure you will get success. And for getting success in this modern world, you have to be proficient in languages you speak. No doubt, Marathi and Hindi are important, but English is the link language of the world. It is the language of the higher education. If you want to pursue higher education, knowledge of English is must. You cannot live in this modern world without the knowledge of English. I hope in the days to come, we shall learn more about this language through our academic syllabus. I hope this journey of teaching learning will be fruitful and enriching. From the next lecture, we shall start with our academic activities. Thank you.